In this tutorial, you'll learn how to accurately position objects using the Align command in Autocad for cleaner and more precise designs. This is an incredibly handy tool, especially when you're working on projects that demand precision and a high level of detail. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is select the object you intend to align. This could be any element within your drawing that needs to be accurately positioned in relation to another part of your design. Once your object is selected, you'll want to make your way to the command line and type Align, or simply enter the shortcut AL. After typing this, just press the Enter key to initiate the command. Now, with that done, you'll select a specific point on your object that serves as your first alignment point. Think of this as setting a cornerstone alignment for your object. Once you've identified this spot, you'll want to click on it and then proceed to identify a corresponding point in your drawing where you want this selected point to align. Click on this destination point to complete the initial alignment step. Next, you'll repeat a similar process with a second point. Choose another point on your object and again find the corresponding point where you want it to align in your design.